Okay, we want to talk a little bit about fresh herbs. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of varieties of herbs, but we're just going to give you a little sample. We've got some fresh parsley here. Parsley is a soft herb, so the stems and the leaves are both able to be used. Can be chopped up, picked, torn. This is great with fish, chicken, beef. You can make pesto with it. Lots of different applications for this. We also have fresh basil. You can see the leaves of the basil here. The stems, sometimes, this is a rather large stem, so you probably wouldn't use this unless you were chopping it up and maybe going to saute it. But the leaves, you can simply just pick off. You can chop these up, you can tear them. Great in seasoning sauces. Again, you can make pesto with this. Lots of different applications. Good with meats, fish, chicken. Okay, then we have thyme. Thyme is one of my personal favorite herbs to use. Has a nice flavor to it. The leaves are typically all that is used here. It has a little bit of a woody stem, unless you're just throwing it in like this and going to pick it back out. You want to strip the leaves and use that. It pairs very, very nicely with chicken. Works with fish. My favorite thing to use it with is, in fact, chicken. It's a great, great herb. Then we'll talk a little bit about garlic. This is something that is used in a ton of recipes that we use and in cookbooks and recipes all around the world. You think of garlic sometimes as being an Italian ingredient, but it's not. It's Mexican, it's Japanese. We all use garlic in one form or another. When you're selecting garlic, you'll find a bulb like this. It might be a little bit bigger, could be even the size of almost a baseball, full of cloves. Each of the cloves make up the bulb of garlic. You pop the cloves out. It's covered in paper, so you give this a smash, peel the paper off, or you can kind of tear the paper off, and then it's good to use either crushed, minced, chopped. It's a little bit pungent raw, so it's nice to kind of cook it out, but can be used in a ton of different things as a huge flavoring agent. So that's just a brief little introduction to some fresh herbs and some flavorings that we use in the kitchen.